Hello class and welcome to week 11 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you'll be still working on the CRJS learning module or the criminal justice module. For this week, you will be composing your essay in English 101, and I want you to do something of a reflection of the assignment in ACLT 053. So, I would like you to compose an essay proposal with the common readings. So in English 101, you are completing the peer reviews for the CRJS essay. Now I'd like you to write a 1 to 2 paragraph proposal of your essay's purpose and analysis of common readings. So you'll be answering the questions of what is your topic, what did you choose, why did you choose it, who is the audience for this topic, what will you need to consider, including to include in your essay for the audience, which sources from the common readings will you need to support your topic, what information do you need to find on your own in order to support your ideas, what do you want the audience to know or understand or believe or do having to do with your essay. Please respond to the questions in an organized 1 to 2 paragraph writing by topic. Include an MLA-style works cited entry for the common sources that you plan to use in the CRJS essay. And please respond to at least 2 other students' posts after you have posted as well. Build on what they've said, explain something, ask a probing question, and so forth. So that is for the discussion board post. And then for the reflection, it's very similar to what you've been doing before. I want you to reflect on all that you have learned about, having to do with the readings, the videos, the course discussions, the Lumen resources. What did you used to think and what do you now think? How do you connect, extend, and challenge your learning? What do you see? What do you think? What do you wonder? What do you notice now about your writing or about your topic? How have you grown as a writer? How have you grown in knowledge about the topic? Please also respond to 2 other students' posts in this reflection on this reflection thread. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.